So here's the last video, and it's a combination of the two previous skills that you guys learned, okay? This is titled Factoring Trinomials with Common Factors. Now, if you notice this, it doesn't start off with just x squared, it's 3x squared, okay? And so the first thing that you want to check to begin tackling this is to see whether all three terms have a common factor or not. And in this case, they do. Right? And it's quite obvious if you look at this that it's going to be 3 because this is divisible by 3, this is divisible by 3, and this is divisible by 3. So the way that you want to factor this out is simply divide each and every single term by 3. So when you do divide that, you basically are factoring out the 3, and what's left over is x squared minus 5x plus 6. Very much like that. Now you're not done yet because you need to factor completely, right? So with this piece right here, you want to put the sum and the product. Right, and look for the two numbers that make this true. And because we did this in the previous example, I'm going to let you know that the correct answer is going to be x minus 2 and x minus 3. And keep in mind when you are writing your answer, this 3 has to be in front, because if it's not in front and you only have the two factor pairs, then it's incorrect, because this only makes x squared minus 5x plus 3. With the 3 in front, all three of these terms actually make up 3x squared minus 5x plus 18. Okay. And so we're going to do one more example over here, okay? 2x squared plus 4x minus 48. You could see that your first thing that you want to do is you want to check whether they have a common factor between all three terms, and in this case, it's going to be 2. So I'm going to actually write 2 right here and divide everything by 2, right? It's that simple, so it's x squared plus 2x minus 24, okay? And once again, because we did this already, you go through the same process. You put down sum, you put down product, and you look for the two numbers that give you a product of 24, but add up of negative 24, but add up to 2. And in this case, since we did this already, I'm going to let you know it's going to be x plus 6, x minus 4. And it's true, 6 times negative 4 is negative 24 as a product, and 6 plus negative 4 is 2 as a product. So this is how we factor, especially given a common factor.